looks like 70s.
Logo's
Here we got a
gone.
late 70s Whirlpool unit. It has the original paint job, which is not very common among these. Where's the data? Let's see. I don't see any data on the back.
It says the tag.
It might have been painted over, or
gone.
either that or it's gone.
Tag used to be here, it's gone.
It's dented right here.
No more tags, so I guess.
What is that?
New or disconnect.
Here it is, but 70s.
Alright.
Oh yeah, you can see. Oh yeah, it's metal.
Yeah, it was a metal tag.
Yeah, it used to be metal tag.
Oh, it's not on the ground.
That'll be it.